Stop the experiment.
Time for maintenance.
What's really at the end of the countdown?
I want to help you. Don't follow Yang Dong's path.
Don't scare me with Yang Dong's story! You got the guts to take my challenge!
The scientist took his own. All had contact with Shen Yufei, and now, whoever she contacts,
That's you.
3 days from now, between 1 and 5 a.m., the whole universe will shine for you.
work with you. Accept my protection. It's your only option right now.
If you truly doubt Shen Yufei, then go catch her. If Shen Yufei wants me dead now,
There's no way you can stop her.
the background on this photo, what is that thing?
An antenna. A relic from that era.
"把实验停下来吧，停机检修。倒计时的尽头到底是什么？
我想帮你，别走杨东的路。
你别拿杨东吓唬我！你敢接受我的挑战吗？
自杀的科学家都跟申玉飞有过接触，而他现在接触的人是你。
3天后，凌晨1点到5点，整个宇宙将为你闪烁。
跟我合作，接受我的保护，是你现在唯一的选择。
要是真的怀疑申玉飞，你就去抓他呀！如果现在申玉飞想让我去死，根本就阻止不了他。这张照片的背景是什么弄下？
天线，那个时代的产物。
Stop the experiment.
Time for maintenance.
把计时的尽头到底是什么？
I want to help you. Don't follow Yang Dong's path.
Don't scare me with Yang Dong's story! You got the guts to take my challenge!
自杀的科学家都 had contact with Shen Yufei, and now whoever she contacts,
That's you.
3 days from now, between 1 and 5 a.m., the whole universe will shine for you.
跟我合作，接受我的 my protection. It's your only option right now.
If you truly doubt Shen Yufei, then go catch her. If Shen Yufei wants me dead now,
There's no way you can stop her.
the background of this photo, what is that thing?
An antenna. A relic from that era.